Okay, YouTubers, welcome back. The S10 instrument panel bezel is replaced. The dash vent's replaced. Let me show you what's up. Remember earlier in the video, this was all busted up. It is like brand new now. The dash vent up there is good. The speaker grills are still original. They were fine, so we're not replacing them. We're not adding more work, but look how beautiful this came out. And it really doesn't take much to restore your vehicle as long as parts are available. And look at the value we added to this 97,000 mile 2002 Chevy S10. We put the Lotus shocks on the back. It's actually sitting better than ride height. The information center looks amazing now that it has a new vents and trim bezel. The dash vents are done. We're working on the temperature blend door actuator, but we're not finished. We're waiting for some parts. But I mean, where are you going to get a decent truck for under 5,000 miles that's not a pile of crap that needs tons of work? And I can show you every day here those specific vehicles. But this one's actually it's perfect now. Thanks for watching.